Candy, and this is another Yardie Belly takeover. I'm in the kitchen, and today's dish is none other than sliced fried fish. Well, we say sliced fried fish.
Fresh mackerel.
And this fish is called Spanish mackerel. They were whole, and I sliced them up in about a 1.5 inch slices. And they were washed properly with lime juice. And I'm just about to show you how I season them.
Hi, Mama! Spanish mackerel!
I'm just using some fish seasoning. And this is basically a complete blend of spices, which on its own is sufficient. But of course, I can't. I have to go a cut above the rest. So I'm adding this fish seasoning generously.
Very generous.
Yes. And I'm adding some Mrs. Dash.
I use lemon pepper.
Apparently somebody wanted to do a video and they... Yeah, I'm adding some Mrs. Dash to that. And I think Mrs. Dash is pretty much salt free, just for the flavor.
As long as I'm a Mr. Dash.
And I'm adding some paprika. Yeah, paprika can be used on fish also. And what did you say to put?
Lemon
pepper. I don't really know why, but yeah.
Because lemon pepper works very well with
Mr.
fish.
Yardie Belly is on the outside trying to get into the thing, and I'm not into the thing. Sure. Alright, so he said to add some lemon pepper, so I'm just adding a little lemon pepper.
And drizzle a little oil.
And of course, if you know anything about fish, especially Elsha fish, black pepper got to be in it. So I'm just doing a couple twists of freshly ground black pepper. And that is all for now. The seasonings already have salt, so there's no need to put additional salt. So I'm going to drizzle it with some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, to help with the marinade process. And of course, fish don't need much marinating because it's a very delicate meat.
And we love the virgin.
Alright, so I'm just pretty much going to stir that in to incorporate all of the seasoning on each piece of fish. By right, I'm supposed to be using my hands, but nah, I don't think so. Yeah, and when each piece of fish is coated, I just cover it for like 15 minutes. So everything can, get mellow and jello and thing. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes and the fish is thoroughly marinated. And we are about ready to put them in the hot oil that I have here. I'm just gonna carefully lay them one piece at a time. And once you lay them, you're just gonna leave them. Do not move them around until one side is thoroughly cooked, or your fish will get totally mashed up and, you know, disarrayed. Can't afford to have that. So this is the final piece I'm putting in the oil. And like I said, I'm just gonna let it alone, leave it to properly fry on one side before I flip them over. Okay, so one side has been totally cooked and I'm about to flip it right now. And as you can see, there's no sticking at all. It's perfectly brown in color. And we're just flipping all of them.
So it looks so black. Because of the seasoning. The seasoning burn a little bit more than the...
Yeah. The seasonings that are placed on it, like the Mrs. Dash and all the other seasonings, they kind of burn more than the fish would burn and give it a darker color.
But it's good.
Yeah, it's good. And it looks darker on camera than in real, in up close and in person.
Let me fix that.
Yep. And that's pretty much the end of the process. I mean, you allow this to cook for another 5 minutes, to fry for another 5 minutes. And then we drain them in our basket there so that you get off the excess oil. And you're good to go. Alright. So here we have it, our finished product, our fried Spanish mackerel. Done very nice and crispy and crunchy and golden brown. And this is served up for a balance. We're serving it up with some grilled asparagus and some grape tomatoes, because you know we do the fry, we have to balance it up with something healthy. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Yeah, so be sure to try it in your neck of the woods. Whatever you have, it doesn't have to be Spanish mackerel. Whatever fish you have, you could slice it up and fry it up, alright?
I want some hardware bread for go with that now, because the hardware bread will make it nice.
Oh, for lime. Eat the healthy things.
Hardware bread. Or dumpling.
Yeah,
fry dumpling. Hey, fry some dumpling, no?
No. Yeah, the belly. How you say so? Why?